Right, hi, I'm Jessica. I'm doing the Polga 30-day challenge, getting ready to set up my pole over here in my nice little corner of my bedroom. And I've got all my supplies ready. Came in the nice carrying case. And I think we're all set. We're gonna figure this out.
Hey babe, you need some help?
Yeah, I do.
I got all the tools. What do we need?
Sweetie, we're not gonna need all those tools. The kit comes with tools.
I like tools.
There's only like 3 tools that we need. It'll be super easy and really secure, I promise.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, let's do this. Here we go.
And that's installable.
Yep, it'll pull. Don't be too slippery and clothes and slippers. Good luck, guys.